Hi, I have released a new automated MQL4 crowd algo trading system on January 1, 2021. This is a live experiment to show you what is working and why it is working. And I would like you to do it with me. Okay, this is day 3 and we want to set up our trading system with MetaTrader 4. The first thing that we need is obviously the MetaTrader 4 installation. I think this might be already in place for most people, but in case it is not, you can go to mql4tutorial.com and download it from the link on the main page. There you will also find the first steps about the setup and the MetaTrader 4 configuration in the video playlist. But MetaTrader 4 can only do automated trading if you download and import the right piece of software. That is called an Expert Advisor program, and I have a download link for the demo version that I use for this video series. Actually, my own version is a little bit more customized. For example, I have an account that has a low stop-out level and I need to trade at least 10 micro lots. So now you want to click on the download link to get the Expert Advisor, and once you have downloaded the zip file, you need to extract it. The version that I provide for this experiment contains 2 files. Now please click on File, Open Data folder in MetaTrader 4 to open the right folders. Afterwards click on the MQL4 folder. The first file needs to be copied into the Experts folder, the second file needs to be copied to the Libraries folder. Afterwards you need to restart MetaTrader or at least refresh the Expert Advisor view. To allow automated trading you need to go to Tools, click on Options and enable the setting that is called Allow Automated Trading on the Experts tab. I would also recommend to disable the annoying sounds. That can be done after clicking on the Events tab. Now you should be able to drag and drop the Expert Advisor from the Navigator view onto a chart with a currency pair. If everything went well, you should see a smiley face and the name of the Expert Advisor in the upper right corner. If not, you should go to mql4tutorial.com and review the first 10 videos about the setup process. Okay, that is it for today. Tomorrow we will do a little strategy test and actually we should see the first automated trades. If you want to join this journey and benefit from the findings to improve your own algorithmic trading system, just keep watching this automated content and be my guest. Remember, this is all real time. And for me it is real money on a real account, and I promise to be helpful, even this content is automated. Thank you for your attention and best regards from snowy Germany, Raymond Bauer.